Everyone is talking about this one platform. They're saying you can use Grok Imagine 1.5, completely free, unlimited videos, no subscription, no credit card, just sign up and start generating. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I actually tested it. Spent hours on this platform, generated real videos, and what I found is not what these videos are telling you. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the real numbers, the real quality, and the honest truth that nobody else is telling you. Let's start with the basics. What actually is Grok Imagine 1.5? It's xAI's brand new video model, and honestly, it's impressive. We're talking faster generation speeds, better motion physics, and something that no other model is doing right now: native audio. That means sound effects, background ambience, even dialogue, all generated automatically in the same pass as your video. You don't add sound separately. It's already there when your video is ready. Now that's genuinely exciting. But here's the problem. If you go to the official Grok website and try to use it, you hit a paywall almost immediately. Standard users can only generate up to 10 seconds of video. And if you want 15 seconds, that's only available on the paid API plan. So naturally, people started searching for free alternatives. And that's exactly how OiiOii AI started going viral. Now, before I show you the real numbers, let me quickly explain what OiiOii AI actually is. Because most videos just say, go here, sign up, it's free, and skip past all the important details. OiiOii AI is a third-party platform, not official xAI, not affiliated with Grok. It's a separate tool that bundles multiple AI models together in one place. Image models, video models, different generators, all inside one interface. When you sign up with your real email, no tricks, no fake accounts needed, you get 200 credits as a welcome bonus. And every single day, you can claim 60 more free credits from your profile section. 260 credits. Sounds like a lot, right? Here's where I need you to pay close attention, because this is the part that changes everything. A 5-second Grok Imagine 1.5 video, 60 credits. A 10-second video, 120 credits. A 15-second video, 180 credits. You get 60 free credits per day. So do the math with me. 60 credits per day. 60 credits per 5-second video. That means you get exactly one 5-second video per day on the free plan. Not unlimited, not even close to unlimited. And here's something that made it even worse when I tested it. Image generation also costs credits. So if you want to create a reference image first, which is actually the recommended workflow on this platform, since it only supports image to video, not text to video, you're spending credits before you even start your video. Your 200 sign-up bonus? At 60 credits per clip, that's just 3 videos, total, from your entire welcome bonus. Now look, I want to be fair here, because not everything about this platform is misleading. Some models are genuinely free. Grok Imagine 1.5 has no crown symbol, meaning no paywall. Same with Kling Q1, HiLuo 2.3, Cdance 1.5 Pro, Kling 2.6, and Vidu Q2. These are all accessible without a paid subscription. But Cdance 2.0, Sora 2, Happy Horse 1.1, all locked behind the crown symbol, paid only. So the free models exist, but the credit system turns unlimited into something very, very limited. Now, the most important question: is the actual quality worth it? I generated a video using Grok Imagine 1.5 on OiiOii AI. Image to video. 15 seconds long. 720p resolution, which by the way is the only resolution option available right now. No 1080p, just 720p. And honestly, the output surprised me. The motion was smooth, the lighting felt cinematic, the scene stayed consistent from start to finish without any warping or glitching. For something generated on a free platform, the quality is real. But here's my honest take. If you are just starting out with AI video, learning how prompts work, testing different styles, OiiOii AI is actually a solid starting point. The quality is good, the setup takes under a minute, and Grok Imagine 1.5 is genuinely accessible here without paying. But if you're a content creator who needs to generate multiple videos every single day, one 5-second clip per day is not going to work for you. The credit limit will stop you within minutes. So here is my final honest verdict. OiiOii AI is a real platform. Grok Imagine 1.5 is genuinely available for free here. The quality is impressive. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. But free and unlimited? That's simply not true. You get one 5-second video per day on the free plan. That is the reality. And I think you deserve to know that before spending your time on it. The link to OiiOii AI is in the description below. Go try it yourself, generate your first video, see the quality with your own eyes, and then decide if it fits what you actually need. That's what this channel is about. No hype, no sponsored opinions, just honest testing, so you don't have to waste your time finding out the hard way. If this video saved you even 30 minutes of frustration, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are tired of clickbait and want real information. And if you want more honest AI tool breakdowns just like this one, subscribe to Decoded AI Tools. Every video I publish, I test the tool myself first. If I haven't tested it, I won't recommend it. That's the promise. I'll see you in the next one.